How to reset Ally Bank login password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Ally Bank's login password. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right into it. First, you will simply need to open up your web browser and search for Ally Bank. So let me just remove that. So you will basically need to log in first. So head over to the login page for Ally Bank account. And right here you'll find your username and password section. So under there, and right under login, you'll find forgot username or password. So what you'll have to do is tap on this password option. And then you will then need to type in your last name. And finally your username. Then tap on continue. And after you do that, they will search for your account. After they search for your account and find it, they will then verify that it's you that is trying to reset your password, and just follow along with the prompts and you'll have reset your password. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.